I didn't get that feeling that I got last night watching the movie, you know. Because I think when you're an actor looking at a script, you're really looking at, you know, your part, how it's structured, all that kind of stuff. So you don't get caught up in the whole, whoa, you know.
Speak for yourself.
Tell us about your experience.
No, I did.
You go through and you count your lines.
No.
I have 37 lines.
I do. It's like, I don't know. My experience of reading a script, there's moments where, yes, I did chuck it across the room. There's one, because then I decided I don't want to read this in my house. And then there's moments where I'm counting my lines.
So I read it in her house. Counts her lines. She calls me, you have 472. I have 471. It's not fair.
Well, yes, we wanted to be near her. We wanted to absorb her. We wanted to watch her and gather as much details as we could. So we went over to her house. I mean, we did not like seek out an exorcism to participate in, or I didn't go that far. I didn't dig that deep.
You're not that good. I did, and let me tell you. No, we had to, you know. We had to go, and luckily, because of the internet, as we were speaking of prior, you know, there's a lot of tape of them, and a lot of so we can see sort of videos just to sort of see how they spoke and how they get along together, because that was really important for us, you know. And I wish I could have been able to meet Ed, you know, but
we did. We were able to see the Maurice case.
Yeah.
The case that occurs in the film.
Yeah, the one that we filmed.
Real footage from that.
Yeah, that's freaky, and pretty close actually to what is in the movie, the one that we actually made. You know, as with actors.
It's true. It is fairly close, even in choreography of movement.
Yeah, we had it there while we were filming. We actually had it pulled up on a computer, and so we sort of put people in the same positions. So it looked a lot. It looked a lot like that. I think were they French? I guess he was French, or Italian, or is that a different story? I forget.
I think it was French.
No, look, I'd love to say nothing happened. There were a few things that sort of happened, but and this is not any sort of grandstanding, but it didn't happen to me, so out of respect for we were talking about kids and their families, out of respect for them, I'm not going to be the one to bring it up. But there actually were a few things that were
disturbing.
That were very disturbing and unexplained. I got to say that. And I'm not a real, you know, I don't walk around sort of spooked looking for like, that noise, that has to be a ghost. You know, I'm not that guy. Although that noise actually I think is. Where's that you? Is that your stomach? Or is that something else? Sorry. So rude.
Oh my goodness, grape juice.
So
oh my